Wait a second. What's that sound? Don't worry, Joseph. It's just these little cicadas. And they don't hurt you, so don't worry, Joseph. Cicadas? What the heck are cicadas? Like these giant bug-looking things that fly, Joseph. You want to go and look for one? Yes, I do! Definitely! Definitely! Oh, what the heck is that thing?
That's a cicada, Jose.
Lugger. Cicada? What the heck?
Yep, Jose. It's a cicada.
Oh, what the heck?
It can fly on you. Jose.
Oh, what the heck?
Jose, it likes you.
Not really. I don't like it. It's creepy.
Hi, little cicada.
Grammar, live with it. Hey guys, by the way, this is Joseph too. I didn't tell you that, but anyway, oh, is that another one?
It's dead.
Oh. What the heck is on my back? Ah! What the heck? Does it hurt you? What the heck is that one in the background? I think they're attracted to the sense of my booty.
Hi, cicada.
Oh, that one looks like a baby one. Oh, what the heck is... Oh no, he's crawling up my neck.
Hi, little cicada.
Oh, it's disgusting, Grammar. I don't like them. Get it off. Please, disgusting. It's really disgusting. Oh. What the heck? Ew, that's disgusting so much. Oh. That's okay there. Ooh,
Don't hurt it!
Ooh, I got it good there.
Oh, little guy.
I think he died.
Yeah, because you got him right in the brain, Jose.
Right in the brain? Wow, that was a good bullseye. Is that one dead already?
Yeah. Jose, look what you did. Now the cicada thinks it's trapped around you.
Oh! That's what cicadas are. So that's what cicadas are. I didn't even know that. I didn't even know what they were at first, but whatever. Anyway guys, this was Joseph 2. I know it wasn't that long, but you got to see some of the cicadas that were interesting. However you say it, cicadas or cicadas, whatever. I don't know how to say it a lot, but apparently they'll be here for the next couple of weeks, so I guess we'll deal with it. Bye! Bye! Beware.